Let's talk about Dancook 9000 Bonfire Barbecue Grill. Primary cooking grid, 54 cm diameter. Made with stainless steel and aluminium, strong, durable and sturdy. Extra thick 6 mm chrome plated grid, durable and ideal for holding larger, heavy cuts of meat and poultry. Product HxWxD, 50 by 78 by 74 cm. Warranty 10 years on stainless steel parts. 2 years on all other parts. Truly one of the best you will buy. Great value here. The edge full rim does not get hot, so will not burn the kids or dog. The heat produced is amazing and it cleans so easy with the hose. Excellent construction design. Barbecue grill is wide and solid, and the grill handle makes the removal of the hot grill very easy at any time. The grill gives weight to the whole setup. The rim is really handy to put jacket potatoes, bananas, corn cobs in foil to keep hot once cooked. Don't expect a stainless steel fire pit not to change color after use, but it does go a nice copper shade on the bottom. Hey, it's a fire pit, not an ornament. I was a little apprehensive if I'd chosen the right model. The other reviews convinced me to press the green button. Now it's arrived and I've checked it out. I can't tell you how pleased I am. The quality is outstanding. The sticks a lot boxes which others don't. For example, it's an excellent width and depth to take between 4 and 8 logs, no problem. The photo doesn't do it justice, as another review correctly states. However, it's just the right height off the floor to distribute heat. You won't burn the kids alive as it's well supported within the frame and doesn't turn to molten lava at the edges. Big point for me is you won't turn your decking into ash, as it's a good clearance to dispose the heat source. Looks great on any patio or decking, and the barbecue grill is just top quality, not the usual wire griddle. It's heavy duty material which will last a lifetime. Hope this helped. This is the dog's box. Great style, easy to clean, built to last. Like all fire pits, it's difficult to control the cooking temperature, so an up-down grill post is pretty useful. Great design.